Do you want a lot of money? Then this region right here is for you. About crops, this region is a cash crop region. It has a lot of tobacco, cotton, indigo, and rice. Climate. This region has not that cold winters and hot summers, so it's good for farming. Slaves. We also sell slaves, so you can buy one if you live here, but you don't live here, so there are a lot of jobs for sale. There are a lot of great jobs here, like you can be a plantation owner, or you can be an artisan. School. If you don't want to watch your child or little boy, then send them back to school in England, or you can have them have a tutor. Sharing in the southern. If you do not have grains, we go to the mid-Atlantic, and if you do not have a lot of tools, then go to the New England colonies and trade. Did you know that's called interdependence? Did you enjoy it? If you did, come to the southern colonies with all this great stuff.